Hey Spikers, welcome back to my channel. This is again Mommy Spike. For today's video, we are going to be, I am going to be showing you my self-maintenance routine and the products that I am currently using. Kakatapos ko lang actually maligo. It is currently, it is almost 10 p.m. So for the whole day today, I did a general cleaning sa bahay. Ate Spike was helping me all throughout everything. Natapos ko lahat yung sa first floor. By tomorrow, I will be doing the second floor. So yeah, that's why I'm so haggard kanina, and at the same time, very sweaty and smelly. So of course, I thought of creating this vlog so that I can show you my self-maintenance process and the products that I'm currently using. Even if you have kids already, it is still very important. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, when I take a bath, I don't have like a permanent shampoo and a conditioner, and I don't take shampoo every day as well. Currently, the shampoo that we are using is Palmolive, the violet one. And that is the shampoo that's being used by the family. Baby Spike is still using a baby shampoo. And then for the conditioner, we are using a Cream Silk. Feel like we wanted to really take a bath. We want to maintain ourselves, then yan. Shampoo and conditioner. Since shampoo is not also good to have it every day, so I skip the shampoo and just do conditioner every day. Or there are a few times where I would skip all throughout for both a shampoo and conditioner. And of course, suklay. Hair fall is the number one common problem for mommies out there. So that's why after taking a bath, I just let my hair dry by itself naturally. So comb is not so important for mommies because of hair fall. Like today, hygiene for for our vajayjay. It's still a stigma, right? That we can't say the name out loud. It's acceptable nowadays to say vagina, because we have to be educating our kids, right? And just don't say flower or birdie or whatever that is. So I don't. I'm not sure if it's just me, but um why do I have to endure pain, right? So I don't do waxing, I just trim it, and at the same time I do not use a feminine wash. So I would only use a feminine wash if after giving birth. That's it. And then I would just use it every day, because sayang naman yung feminine wash if hindi siya magamit. So I just use it because we're still bleeding. So it's important that you have a feminine wash. Yes. So it's organic and natural down there. And then for my body lotion after taking a bath, so currently I have this Far Away. And for those who have tried this, I know that the smell is really, really good. Meron din itong perfume na Far Away, which is so nice. It's kind of expensive, small bottle, but if you want to smell good, then I think that's the most affordable sa Avon. Smell good. I'd rather have that than buy Victoria's Secret or whatever. So I'm okay with this one. Diba, meron din yung maroon and then yung isa. So I would really apply this, guys, after maligo. So because when I'm staying at home, hindi ako nagko-cologne or nagpi-perfume. So lotion yung ginagamit ko because it has already a perfume scent and it smells so good. And I would, apply it all over my body, but, for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna do that. I think this is the only Avon favorites I have. And then for the teeth, guys, we're using Colgate, and of course, floss. Just want to make sure it's clean to avoid tooth decay. Because As you can see, I don't have a very nice teeth. That's because I'm so talawan. Before, if I have a loose tooth, I would, keep it a secret to my mother and father, kasi I'm scared na maibtan og teeth. Teach your kids to tell you if they have any issues with their teeth, because if you just let them be, it will be like this. For our kili-kili, I am using Dove. This is the original scent. Well, it doesn't have any scent. This is actually unscented. And it has 0% alcohol. That's why this is my favorite. So, and then, i-apply lang sa kili-kili. So, wala naman po akong, kili-kili power dyan. But, I just, apply this to make sure that I won't smell if in case I'm going to perspire. I'm not highly maintenance. And of course, wag nating kalimutan ang ating mga tita essentials. So this is one of them, efficacent oil, because I had like general cleaning this morning. So atong mga joints diha guys, kailangan na siya haplasan before going to bed, so that we won't have any muscle pains or spasms by tomorrow. So let's go to the face. Since the quarantine, I haven't been actually able to purchase new skincare products. So I'm still using Lanbena. I have created a video of this before. So I will just add the link in the description box and in the comments section so you guys can see what I'm currently using. So I'll just do this quickly in front of you guys. So first off, I'm using this Lanbena vitamin C serum. I'm not sure if you guys can see. This has 20% of vitamin C. I'll just put it on my palm. Medyo malapit na siyang maubos, guys. Ako na lang din siyang gitilok og maaya. And then, put it on my face. For my kilay, guys, as you can see, okay naman yung form ng aking kilay. It's a little bit, well, it's bushy. What I would usually do is remove these excess or yung mga nasaag diri sa ubos. Yan na siya. Careful mo ani guys, kay makasamad jud siya. Nasamad lang ko today because I haven't actually cleaned my eyebrows for a long time. I think before pa nag-quarantine, wala jud ko nag so medyo nasamad ko gani. Yan. So I was, preparing the stuff for this vlog, and then I was holding the blade like that. So naana ko siya sa ako ang wrist. So balhibo. That's just really how I clean my eyebrows. Kuon lang ako ng mga saag-saag diri sa ubos. I've not gone to the parlor for threading or ana jud ako ang kilay. So katong nanghatag si Lord og nindot na kilay kay present ko atong panahon na dili ko absent. Moisturizer. I'm currently using still Lanbena. This is with hyaluronic acid. Mao ni ang sud niya, guys. And then rub-a-dub-a-dub. Apelo na ko akong neck when I apply my moisturizer para even ang texture sa face ug sa neck. Then ako siyang i-massage gamay. Sa lips, maggamit ko og Lanbena Brown Sugar Lip Polish. Lip scrub na siya, guys, and it's so sweet. Mura siyang sugar. Inani ang sud sa packaging. Nani siya gamay nga spatula, guys. Mura siya brown sugar. And then i-rub lang nako sa ako ang lips for mga 5 minutes. A few moments later, diba guys? Ni pula-pula atong lips. Tami siya, guys. And then, lip balm. I'm also using Lanbena Rose. This is my lip balm or lip mask. Ano ni sulod, guys? Pink, pink. And I use Rayleigh Retinol Eye Serum para sa ding, ding, ding. So, small drop lang. And then, ito na ako siya lahat. And of course, this is only optional, guys. This is a lip tint. So, magkuha lang ko gamay, ani. Para rosy cheeks, kunuhay ta very light. So, I'll just, you know, apply gamay dere. Alright, so that's it, you guys. So those are the products that I'm currently using for my self-maintenance. Again, for mommies out there, Anti-Loshang or whatever. But if you do self-maintenance, you will feel good about yourself. You will feel confident. It will boost your self-esteem. And at the same time, dili tabiyaan sa ato ang mga partner. Alright, so that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, reactions, or suggestions. Comment down below. Guys, libre na jud mo comment. Let me know what you think. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Na-like button sa ubos. And at bang ana naapoy subscribe button, guys. Please help me by supporting my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Ring the bell for the purpose of getting you notified for new uploads coming from my channel. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. And again, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and see you on the next one. Bye!